We will be using a band for group chatting, both for the entire course, all 5 sections, and for each section. So to join the band, just click the link either on a computer or on a phone, and you'll see something like this, that you've been invited. You can click accept, and once you've done that, you will see that you have this band listed in your bands. Note there's this one for the entire course. There'll be 60-something people in there, and then one for each section of the course. Once you go to the band, you can use it like most messaging services and type whatever you want, add emoticons or photos, link to a file, for example, or attach a file if you are planning on uploading audio or something like that. You can also attach a video, and there's some other tools like surveys and calendar events. We will be using this to notify when assignments are due or if we have lab hours or things like that. So stay tuned for more information about how we will be using the band, but in the meantime, make sure to join.